how to recover TikTok streak. Now, the only way or the only thing that we can recover this is going to submit a ticket or submit a report. To do that, just pull up your TikTok application and then go ahead to your profile. And once you're here, just simply click on the three lines right here. Then head to settings and privacy. You scroll all the way down and then press on report a problem. Now from here, all you have to do is again scroll all the way down and press on submit a report. And from here, you'll just have to explain the details to what exactly happened. Say for example, hey TikTok, I want to recover my TikTok streak. Now, if you have like maybe a screenshot or uh, a phone video recorder that you record yourself that you're receiving this error about your TikTok streak, you can go ahead and upload them here too. Then once you submit this, you will be generated with a support ticket number, and you'll just have to wait maybe 24 to 48 hours depending on the TikTok customer support on how long would they respond to your current ticket, and they're gonna be the ones to solve this. So that's how you fix or that's how you recover TikTok streak.